what have you enjoyed the most about this meeting so far?
So far, I think everyone is realizing that there's a change going on, and that the profession is changing, and that we need to adapt and change the way we are doing business and the way we are counseling our clients. And I think that's the most important thing, that so many people are focused on that and are willing to adapt. So.
Well, I think this meeting is great because it brings together lawyers, not only from the United States, but also from foreign countries who are also thinking along the same lines about delivering legal services online and operating virtually, and to see this kind of interchange and to see their vision, particularly some of the international lawyers, about really operating on a multinational platform, I think is very exciting. And I really learn from the other lawyers that are here. It's been great.
I would say that this event is crucial. And if you have an opportunity to come to an event like this again, you should make every effort to be here. We all know that we're going to have a need for an online presence and an online aspect of our law practices. It is inevitable that that's going to happen. This is the training ground and the opportunity to collaborate with other sharp attorneys. You can't afford to miss this kind of event.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Thank you, Tony.
I think the best way probably to describe it is a building of a community. Ultimately, I think a lot of relationships, and I think the seeds of some strong friendships, both personal and professional, I think have been formed here today. And I think those are the basic building blocks, I think, of this type of community, of what the online bar can represent and what it does represent. And I think that's probably been the biggest thing. And then I think once you have that ability to share ideas and come together and lean on each other and learn from each other, I think really starts to take shape. And I think that we saw evidence of that this weekend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So much of what we talked about and discussed on the panel up here are things that we just come up with because what our feeling is about that subject, and it's based on our experience. And I think the reactions here are genuine and not prepared. The association is about meeting online and also in a physical place for people from around the world, professionals, legal professionals around the world. Unlike other bar associations or other groups tend to be very localized, and to me, you don't get the best ideas if you have a very localized interaction.
The reality is that every lawyer is an online lawyer these days, and so what we're talking about are things and issues that affect every lawyer, and that's what's made it so fascinating.
I've basically gained a significant amount of knowledge about everything that you would want to consider in the legal profession, regardless of whether you're a small entrepreneur in a small boutique firm or a large national firm like my own, but concepts around how to network better, how to deliver legal services in a much more cost-effective and efficient way, and really how to add real value to both your profession, your firm or your colleagues, and of course, more importantly, to the clients that you serve. And I mentioned yesterday, for me, I love the profession that I'm in, and I'm very client and service oriented, so I embrace any potential innovations there might be that allows me to be more effective and a better practitioner.